How to add payment method in Best Buy app. Let's get started. Launch your Best Buy app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile page, here you will find different options. Navigate to the option of payment methods. Now from this page, you are able to add payment method in your Best Buy app. All you have to do is click on the option of add a payment method. Now you have to provide the details. First up, type in your credit or debit card number. Then type in your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code and phone number. Once you provide all the details, click on add payment method, and with that your payment method will be updated in Best Buy app. So this way you can easily add payment method in Best Buy app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.